So there's never been a better time to make money online, as massive companies like Lululemon are paying huge money to influencers and content creators to just talk about their content. So you'll be shocked by how much money you can make through their official affiliate program and how easy it is to get started. So what I'm gonna be going over in this video is exactly how you can make $1,000, right? Just the math to making $1,000. I'm gonna show you other content creators who are making at least $1,000 with Lululemon and more, and showing you exactly what they're doing, and also a step-by-step, just step-by-step how to get started making money, having Lululemon pay you to talk about their athletic clothing. So I'm John Crestani. I've earned over $20 million doing affiliate marketing, and I've done it to create my life around freedom, financial, location, time, and also family. Really supporting these two things. So I'll be walking you through. I've done very well with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you get paid to talk about other companies. Now, when somebody on the internet tells you you can make $1,000, right, the first reaction is you're probably pretty skeptical, and I don't blame you, right? Getting $1,000 for just messing and monkeying around on a computer is kind of crazy, and there's a lot of scams out there, these Nigerian princes and stuff, But this is a huge company. Lululemon is an $8 billion company. They're an international sportswear company, and they're unbelievably legit, and they're paying out a lot of influencers, and we're gonna go over how you can get this too. Now, here's how it works. Basically, you talk about their clothing on a social media platform such as Instagram or YouTube or a blog or TikTok, whatever, and you put a link up to the Lululemon site. And if people end up buying the piece of clothing that you're talking about and you link to on their site, you get paid a commission. And the Lululemon commission rate is 10%. Typically for affiliate programs, it's 5 to 20%. So you earn that money just because somebody clicked a link, they saw a post on TikTok and they really liked what you were doing. Okay, so in this example, we're gonna talk about their high-rise yoga pants, which are retail for $129. And if you talk about their high-rise yoga pants, and somebody buys them, you get paid 10% commission, which means $12.90. Now, if you put up a video on TikTok or Instagram or something like this, and 1% of you get 50,000 views on a video, you get 1% of viewers end up buying these yoga pants, then that means you are earning something in the tune of $6,000, right? Now, if you just want to earn $1,000, you just need 10,000 viewers on a video or post. 10,000 people watching an Instagram video where you talk about this makes it possible. Now, maybe it sounds a bit pie in the sky because it's like, how do I get 10,000 people to look at an Instagram post or a TikTok post? Well, let's go over some people that are doing it, because it doesn't take any money to create content, so it's really easy. So now, many folks believe that content creators primarily make their money off of ad revenue, like Google's paying them, TikTok, or Instagram's paying them. But the reality is that content creators make very little money from these major platforms. Facebook pays nothing, okay? Most of the money for content creators is actually from affiliate marketing. I know for me, my affiliate marketing revenue on my YouTube channel is 100 times what I make from the ad revenue. And the ad revenue for typical creators is 10 times what they make from the actual ad revenue. So either way, if you're not promoting an affiliate program, you're missing out on 90% of the money you can be making online. And Lululemon has a great affiliate program if you like talking about fitness or health related items. So let's take a look over at Rem Life. It's a prominent health and lifestyle influencer with over 1 million subscribers on YouTube. I mean, I don't even have that, and 1 million followers on Instagram. So when Rem has included Lululemon products, they've included them in multiple videos, and they've accumulated over 200,000 views where they're just talking about clothing from Lululemon. Now, advancepay.io, which is a creator revenue measurement site, estimates they've made $14,000 just by talking about leggings. Now, Charmeleon is another example of an influencer profiting from the sportswear company's aggressive marketing strategy of paying out these affiliate commissions. Now, through her sponsored videos, she's earned over 300,000 views of her videos talking about leggings. And Advance Pay reckons she's made around $6,000 from these overall promotions. But the thing is, you don't have to be a large established channel to join their affiliate program and have Lululemon paying you money. Let's take a look at Kayla Cullen. She's a Christian lifestyle vlogger, meaning she does video blogs, whose channel only has about 4,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now you'll find that her sponsored videos are estimated to have raked in over $3,000, despite even lower view counts than the other things. And the reality is, view counts don't always tell the whole story. It matters how expensive the product you're promoting, whether they're expensive leggings or whether it's just like, a little like headband. Now there's also Emma Chamberlain. She's a giant of the social media world. She has over 12 million subscribers on her YouTube channel. She's promoted Lululemon a number of times, and she's gathered a bunch of views. Now, all in all, we estimate she's received about $17,000 on her partnerships. Now, there's no denying that Lululemon affiliate program is legit, and it makes a ton of easy money for influencers who take part in it and talk about their products. Obviously, they're selling. They're over $8 billion a year. Now, you might be thinking, what? Great, John, great, whatever, people making money. How do I get started, from my computer? Well, I've got you covered. Let's go over it step by step. Let's go over how to get up and running with their affiliate program. So the first thing you need before you get started is you need to have some sort of online presence. Now, you don't need to have a massive following, but again, the easiest way to sell things online is create an audience around yourself. Create a YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram page, a Facebook group. You don't even have to use your face, create a LinkedIn group, whatever it is, so you can actually have a place people can congregate online. People spend most of their days online. You're online right now. But also, you want to make sure your audience reflects the Lululemon customer base. So you probably want to talk to people who are between 20 and 35. You're probably sitting there 24 years old. And if you're interested in talking about healthy living or fashion or fitness, then your channel your account is going to be really geared towards talking about Lululemon. So assuming you've got an active fitness, health-oriented channel ready to go and you're posting content about this stuff, now what you do is you go to the Lululemon site and you go down to the affiliates and creators page and click on the link that takes you to their creator network where you can sign up to be a part of their program. Now, once you've applied and you've been accepted, you'll be given what's called an affiliate link. It's just like a URL. And this URL is the key to your success. This is how the computers say, give him or her a commission of the final sale they make on the site. Because the computer knows that link came from you. So most importantly, you put it in your bio or your description on YouTube, or you can create a Linktree page. I'm sure you've seen, let me know in the comments, but I'm sure a lot of you have seen these Linktree pages that can contain multiple, it's when you're on Instagram and you want multiple links in bio, or on TikTok. Now, after you sign up for the Lululemon affiliate program, you're gonna want to start talking about some of the items that Lululemon sells. And you'll notice in Emma Chamberlain's marathon video, she plugs a couple different items in around 60 seconds. And when people buy that, she'll get paid at the end of the month for all of the purchases people make. And apart from that, it's just about creating content, right? And you can do it, but, like you have a phone, you're watching this on your phone or your computer, anyone can create content. And that's great. You just need to make sure your affiliate link is in your bio, description, or Linktree. Now, clearly the company has identified the kind of content creators they like to work with and the kind of energy they like to give off, right? Think, fun, friendly, healthy, active, fitness, etc. Don't just think that, they're the ones who benefit from community engagement either. The closer you become to your community and the more used to buying products that you recommend, you make your audience, the more likely your audience is actually going to trust your judgment and keep clicking on your affiliate links and your link trees and purchasing products that you talk about, show off, or wear. But you gotta remember, it's not the total views or even the total clicks that determine how much money you end up making from affiliate marketing. It's the amount of purchases made by following your link. And that's why Lululemon isn't just interested in working with massive content creators, but also really small, close-knit communities that trust the creator. An example of that is Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, and again, you can do social media without ever showing your face in those situations. Now, the conclusion of all of this is energy, networking, engagement are the key to your success with making money with the Lululemon affiliate program. You gotta start your own channel or page, right? You gotta start a group. You gotta post content, but you can do all this without spending any money, and you can start earning money from multi-billion-dollar companies that are just out there waiting to pay you. So how are you planning on capitalizing on the Lululemon affiliate program? Or are you? Let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you learned something, make sure to just pound, just please obliterate that subscribe button. And definitely like this video. Leave a comment about what was most helpful, because that helps me be a better teacher for you. Again, the opportunities for making money from the internet are absolutely endless. It's just about figuring out where you fit in. I'm gonna be releasing a lot more videos on this topic and others. Look forward to seeing you in future videos. This is John Crestani, standing for freedom and family. See you later.